Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on, how to turn off, and how to customize swipe up and down on the power button in Realme 14x phone. So we have power button on the side of the phone and we can assign some shortcuts there. So first, settings. Next in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll all the way down to the dynamic button option. We need to enable dynamic button functions, and here we have our shortcuts. We have here double tap, double press, and these are distinct options and they are not the same. And here we have swipe up and down, so we can disable this shortcut if we don't want to, or we can have every button, every shortcut here, and we can customize it a little bit more. As you can see, we can have our volume control under it. We can switch between songs and swipe up, down on the screen as well. And that's all.